It's a 2015 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. The legacy of the premium SUV started with the M-Class. It's the perfect marriage of German engineering and American sensibilities. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, external memory control, Bluetooth, front heated bucket seats, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes ride quality is exceptionally compliant with the standard setup of steel springs and conventional dampers. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.